Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, March 30th. Well, let's see what happened with this Nasdaq market, and what you can see is that a bit of buying did come back in. That's the kind of behavior I was looking for that you and I discussed. I do look for follow through to the upside on Friday, and let's see about that US dollar. And what we can see here is that it got kind of a neutral type close here for the euro. It does imply an up day for Friday, and that is what I'm looking for. The Canadian dollar traded just a couple ticks below its bearish level, and the magnitude change here is $500. A contract I'm looking for a sideways move in the Canadian dollar to higher. And in the 10-year notes, the action that we're seeing here doesn't make sense to me. I'm looking for an inside day to weaker movement on Friday. And let's look at gold. Gold stopped, took a breath. It makes sense. The rhythm's right. It does imply an up move on Friday, and I just don't see the strong drivers behind it, but that's the way it's positioned. And so is crude oil. You know, people were looking for a stronger move. It still has a bullish bias, but I'm neutral. I look for a sideways move in that market as well. And in soybeans and in corn, actually, we saw these markets reacting to a survey results from the USDA, and I don't look for the same kind of move on Friday, but a more muted but unchanged to higher move for our friend Mr. Bean. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow, and in the meantime, take care.